KitKat is more than just a chocolate bar, it's a moment of relaxation, a simple break in a busy day. But have you ever wondered how this iconic treat is made? Today, we take you inside a modern KitKat factory to discover the fascinating journey behind every crispy bite. The process begins with carefully selected ingredients. Flour, sugar, cocoa, and milk are prepared under strict quality and hygiene standards. Inside the factory, cleanliness is everything. Workers follow advanced sanitation procedures, ensuring every stage of production meets global food safety requirements. Next comes the creation of KitKat's signature crisp wafers. The ingredients are mixed into a smooth batter and poured into large baking ovens. Thin wafer sheets are baked to perfection, creating that light, crunchy texture KitKat is famous for. Once baked, the wafers pass through cooling tunnels, allowing them to set before the next step. Meanwhile, rich chocolate cream is prepared in large mixing tanks. This creamy filling is evenly spread between layers of wafers using precision machines. Multiple layers are stacked together to form the classic KitKat structure. These large wafer blocks are then carefully cut into individual bars with high-accuracy cutting equipment. Now comes one of the most satisfying moments, chocolate enrobing. The wafer bars flow through a curtain of smooth milk chocolate, completely coating each piece. The glossy chocolate surface is then cooled in temperature-controlled tunnels, giving KitKat its perfect snap and shine. Quality control plays a vital role throughout the process. Advanced optical inspection systems scan every bar to ensure shape, coating, and texture meet exact standards.